Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Visium Max, a supplement that claims to naturally support your eye health using the usual herbal suspects like bilberry, ginkgo, and grapeseed. It promises clarity and long-term wellness, which sounds lovely if you're the type of person who still believes in the tooth fairy. But the big question is this stuff actually legit or just a blurry mess? Let's start with the reviews. Over on Amazon, Visium Max is rocking a stellar 1.6-star rating, which is impressively bad. Most users reported zero improvement in their vision, with many accurately describing it as a total waste of money. One reviewer even raised concerns about potentially toxic ingredients like artificial flavors, because nothing says eye health like a dose of questionable chemicals. When it comes to clinical testing, we went hunting for proof and found absolutely nothing. There are no official studies and no solid evidence to back up any of their grand claims, which is a massive red flag. The company also loves to shout about being FDA registered and GMP certified, but they curiously forgot to provide any actual verification. It's a bold marketing strategy to claim government backing while providing the same amount of proof I have for being a secret billionaire. Without proper documentation, these claims are about as reliable as a weather forecast in a hurricane. The red flags only get weirder when you look at their website. They provide scientific references to look professional, but when you actually click them, the links lead to nowhere. They're just empty redirects, which is a great way to show you have absolutely no credibility. To top it all off, a quick reverse image search revealed that their product photos were just copied from the internet. Nothing screams trustworthy medical breakthrough like using stolen clip art. Between the abysmal reviews, the lack of science, and the fake images, Visium Max looks like a hard pass. Would you still trust your eyes to this after hearing all that? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.